Hi everyone. Hello, bread friends. I'm coming to you once again from my couch. I know, being a bit lazy today because last night I went with my son to Disneyland and somehow I pulled a muscle in my groin. If it's not one thing here, it's another. Can't believe it. My nose is healing up really well. I know some of you have seen me with a Band-Aid or bandages, but it's healing like amazingly well. And it's only been 2 weeks, so I'm really happy with this Mohs/reconstructive doctor. He did a great job. All right, you guys, I know you haven't seen a lot from me today, but I am working on new recipes. I tried a recipe 2 days ago that was a semi-success, I want to call it. I'm not going to tell you what it was because I am going to perfect it. And when I perfect it, I will release a video. But I'm still here. I'm still around. And except for this silly pulled groin muscle that I have heat on. Yes, lovely. Can't even. It's just been one thing after another. But I am okay. I promise. I will be fine. So look for something from me soon. I'm actually hoping that I wake up tomorrow morning and I can bake like I thought I had planned, or not I thought, like I had planned to do, and perfect this recipe so I could make a video in the next few days. God, don't worry though. I really am fine. It's just a pulled muscle. I've had them before. Takes a few days and they go away. It's no big deal. It's a calamity. You should rename me Calamity Jane. Anyway, I'm going to put that in the title of this video. Calamity Jane or Ellen Strikes Again. Love you guys.